Hello, I'm Ryan Griffith with the City of Spokane Parks and Rec Department. This is my son, Finn. We hope everybody's being safe and is healthy out there. We thought, with everybody being at home, that we'd teach you some backyard campfire cooking. And today we are going to teach you how to cook a wicked hot banana, right? And this is from the Lip Smackin' Car Camping Cookbook. A great recipe book for those that like to get out and camp outdoors or camp in your backyard. So, what we're going to do is we're going to just read off some ingredients. We have one banana sliced on the inside. To open it up, you just kind of squeeze it to open up the pocket of the peel. 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, a tablespoon of chocolate chips.
No, there's no cream cheese.
Oh, you're not putting cream cheese in yours.
You are.
But some people can. And a tablespoon of peanut butter and a tablespoon of marshmallows. And you can always throw in your favorite fruit and such if you'd like. So let's check it out. Want to get to going? I know the smoke's in your eyes. Okay, here we go. All right, sprinkle that stuff in there. You have your marshmallows and your chocolate chips. Put it all in there. Make sure to wash your hands before you do this. We did, didn't we? Yeah. Okay. It's all in there. You want to eat one? Okay. Sure. You wrap it up in tin foil. Make sure you're safe around fire. Always have adult supervision. And we're going to use barbecue tongs to put our banana in the fire. So we put it in the fire, 5 minutes on each side, flip it, and let it cool down and enjoy. Sound good? Okay, let's see that. We're gonna